What's up, Sensei and Senseis? We are starting the first and the most awaited series on solo leveling. Bear with me, guys. I'll be walking through you. I'll be storyteller for this manhwa series. Okay, now let's get started. Our story starts from beautiful city of South Korea, more precisely Seoul. You can see a very good art, a very realistic art. I can see the clouds forming up in the river, and it's pretty damn amazing. Let's continue forward. I guess this is our protagonist, Sung Jin Woo. Not sure if this is the correct pronunciation, but let's keep it this way, Sung Jin Woo. And for the looks of it, he looks pretty weak. Not sure why he's here in the storyline. Maybe the author has something in mind. Okay, guys, let's see. As I was saying, he's pretty weak. He's even accept him that he's very weak and getting near death experiences. No wonder why he looks so weak and gloomy. Our protagonist Sung Jin Woo is a dungeon hunter who's pretty weak. So far, this is a storyline. I think the author wants to for him to become a pretty damn amazing after getting some near-death experiences. Let's see how this story proceeds further. Oh, a construction site in Seoul. I'm not sure if every construction site looks like this and makes these creepy sounds. Yeah, but sites do make these creepy sounds, but not these blue glows. Maybe this is something related to the story or the plot of this manhwa. And in zoom image here, what it is, some sparks lining up. No, nothing, but everything is blue. Maybe this is some kind of dungeon where this our protagonist is going to raid and get a near death experience. All of a sudden, this guy, okay, and he's making some chill sign in front of a food wagon. Why the hell he's doing like this? And now he's shocked. No wonder he's shocked, making after those cool signs in front of nobody. Okay, so time for another character in this manga. It's been a while. Who? Okay, I think this guy is referring to that cool dude who's trying to be cool but not cool. What a crappy joke. His wife is pregnant with second son and he didn't want to become a hunter. Okay, that's how the author wants to think about this. Okay, then it's fine. Well, I do agree with your point. It's not easy to live life. And again, this cool guy is saying like this, so we have to agree upon it. What's up with this expression, man? This is the school guy. You have to think. But he's not interested, I guess. And here comes our protagonist. And I think he's getting bullied. No, no, no. He's not getting bullied, but he's more help. I don't know. I don't have words for this. He's totally hurt and he's saying to be in hands of today too. He's totally weak. Apart from weak, I think he's having a very good personality. Everybody praises him and asking him whether you eat it or not. Mind your own business, cool dude. Why you are interfering with the protagonist? Well, somebody have wrong impressions about a protagonist. He's a powerful hunter. Everybody is happy to see him. I don't think, man, this is the true opinion about that guy. Well, you get wonder. The weakest, the world's weakest, not the strongest. Yeah, with the looks of it, he is the weakest hunter. Not, not a surprise. So our cool guy is gossipmonger also. He's spreading rumors about he's being the weakest. He sure talks like women. Gossipmongers always keep their words to themselves and always care for nobody can hear them. And what see the expression on this guy's face is totally out of the world. Give this man a coffee, man. He's not having, he's not even privilege of getting a coffee. Just give me coffee before he goes for death. Animation is pretty damn good, but the face, but the look on his face is totally out of the world. Sure, his life is an existential crisis, and that is totally depressing. Not getting a coffee for getting on the job. Yeah, I like that kind of. Nobody likes that kind of morning when you're not having coffee that you deserve. What's up with this animation switch all of a sudden? It was pretty damn good animation, and now this. What is this? A puppeteer? Puppeteer of our protagonist? Oh, because of a new character entry. Okay. Someone is getting little bit carried away, getting to know about the weakest hunter, how he's getting his injuries. Uh, don't know where if this girl knows about he's the weakest hunter of all the guild. Well, this girl is sticking with this weakest hunter. Strange. Pretty nice going, but it's really annoying how this girl is shouting on this guy, despite knowing how weak he is. Okay, so they're calling these dungeons as gates, guys, and this girl is pretty into him. I'm not sure why he's sticking around this weak guy. Girls are not like that. Now the story is starting. Yeah, blue gate is opening. Everyone, who's this guy? We're happy hunting saying qualified to say this, but I think he's that cool guy we were talking about earlier. Let's see. No, guys, that was some other dude. Think this the middle one is the guy who was trying pretending to be cool, and that's that guy who left the hunter job because his wife was pregnant. Everybody is pretty excited to go for a hunter raid. We can't say anything about our protagonist, who is the weakest hunter of all, and is being escorted by a pretty nice lady. Despite of him being weak, she is quite sticking with him. Here we go, guys. Now I think the main story is beginning. Yeah, lame jokes, trying not to be injured and stay behind us. And our protagonist is like, okay, bye guys, I'm getting injured anyway. No, no wonder I'm getting injured. But he's quite determined. Uh, I'm gonna try my best today. What that's supposed to mean? You are the weakest hunter. I think these gates are some portals or something from which they can enter and go for dungeon hunting. Most like a scavenger hunting that we do in games. But let's see. Oh, come on. And it's the end of the first manhwa. Okay. Okay, I think this is the end of this short video, guys. Keep do give a subscribe, put a comment, and keep that push that notification bell, and see you in the next video.